Childhood obesity research has traditionally focused on individual-level factors, but we know much less about organizational, community, and macro-level influences on childhood obesity. Publicly available data resources have often been underutilized as many people were not aware of their availability. When searching for relevant data resources, researchers and practitioners often use familiar systems, asked colleagues for advice, or used internet search engines. This was usually time-consuming and often did not reveal all of the available systems. So, to streamline the process of finding and using relevant data sets, NCCOR created the Catalog of Surveillance Systems, the first ever online directory of obesity-related data resources. The catalog provides one-stop access to systems with data on obesity-related environmental and policy factors, as well as health behaviors, outcomes, and determinants. To be included in the catalog, systems need to be relevant to childhood obesity research, have collected data within the last 10 years, provide publicly available raw data, and be gathered in the United States. Let's see how the Catalog of Surveillance Systems works. You can access the Catalog of Surveillance Systems from the NCCOR website by going to NCCOR Resources under the Resources tab. By clicking on this button, you're taken to the main search function of the catalog. Listed here are all of the systems in the catalog, where you can click on any one system name to bring up more detailed information. On the left-hand side are several options to filter what is displayed in the main screen. For instance, if you are interested in disability issues, you can type it into the search box to find a list of systems that include information on disability. Another way to find systems you're interested in is to filter by level, scope, key variables, age groups, racial ethnic groups, system design, and cost. Let's say you want to find data resources on individuals at the national level with physical activity-related and weight-related variables in school-age children. You may also be looking for a panel longitudinal design. As a result of our search criteria, you'll see 6 systems listed. In this right column, you'll notice a compare option that can be used if you want to quickly compare one system with another. As we click each system, it's listed in the far right panel in a green box called the comparison basket. Let's select all systems and compare them. While in this view, you can also delete any of the systems to simplify your comparison. For more details about any one system, you can click on the name to open its profile. For example, let's see the profile for the Panel Study of Income Dynamics Child Development Supplement. Each of the systems in the catalog has one of these profiles. The profile provides a snapshot of some of the most important and useful information about each system for obesity researchers and practitioners. There is information at a glance, as well as details on sampling, key variables, data access and cost, geocode linkage, selected publications, and other resources. Under At a Glance, you can see the system's website address, purpose of this particular surveillance system, its target population, when it was conducted, who sponsors the system, and other important information. Also, on the right-hand side are some noteworthy characteristics. This one, for instance, provides measured height and weight data rather than self-reported information, which may be particularly helpful for research on obesity. Under Sampling, the catalog includes details on sample design and size. Here, we have key variable information on demographics, any diet-related variables, physical activity-related, weight-related, or geocode linkage variables. Methods of assessment are also provided. In the diet-related section, if you click on Show for More, you can expand and then collapse the list to view all of the diet-related variables. In the next section, you will find information about accessing the data and if there are any costs involved. Although this particular dataset is available for free, under Special Notes, you'll notice that there is restricted data that involves a fee, and contact information is provided. Also available is information on any geocode and existing linkage variables. The list of selected publications in this next section highlights papers using data from this system. And lastly, the Resources tab provides links to documentation and codebooks and other tools and tutorials if they're available. The catalog also provides links to other resources that may be helpful, such as summary statistics and legislative databases. To submit updates or feature requests, Click on Catalog Feedback in the navigation bar and complete the form. Other feedback on how the catalog has helped in your research is also welcome. We hope you find the catalog helpful.